Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website using Hostinger. First, select a hosting plan that aligns with your project's scale, perhaps a premium shared hosting plan for up to 100 websites. Next, register your unique domain name directly through Hostinger. Finally, use their intuitive H panel to access the auto-installer and set up WordPress with just one click, typically taking less than 5 minutes. This streamlined process gets your foundation ready quickly. Once WordPress is installed, log into your dashboard, the central hub for managing everything. Here, you can explore thousands of free and premium themes to give your site a professional look. Choose a theme that resonates with your brand, then customize its colors, fonts, and layout. Many themes offer drag-and-drop builders, making design adjustments straightforward, even for beginners. This step is crucial for establishing your site's visual appeal. Next, enhance your site's functionality by installing essential plugins. Consider plugins for search engine optimization, like Yoast SEO, security, such as WordFence, and performance optimization, like Lightspeed Cache, which can improve loading times by up to 4 times. Then, begin creating your content. Craft compelling pages for your services or about a section, and write engaging blog posts. Remember to add high-quality images and videos to enrich the user experience. Before launching, thoroughly review every aspect of your website, from content accuracy to mobile responsiveness. Ensure all forms work correctly and links are active. Once satisfied, make your site public. Ongoing maintenance is vital. Regularly update WordPress core, themes, and plugins to patch security vulnerabilities and access new features. Back up your site frequently, perhaps weekly, to safeguard your hard work. This ensures your website remains secure and performs optimally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.